Hi friends, in the last session we discussed that garbage collection and the destructor. Okay, with respect to that we discussed two programs. Okay, let me remind two programs one more time and the next I will start for today's session. Okay, so friends, if you are watching my channel, please subscribe to my channel and it gives me more encouragement for creating more videos on technical. Okay, please post your query in the comment section if you are having any queries. Okay, I will solve your queries. Okay, now in the last session, we observed that creating object for multiples in the form of list. Okay, creating object multiples in the form of list. Okay, creating object multiples in the form of list. When this got executed, first automatically constructor block will be executed three times. Okay, constructor block will be executed three times. The moment when delete t1 is executed, so destructor block will be executed to perform cleanup activities for three times. Okay, for three times. Okay, next it we are asking to sleep 5 seconds. Next it is terminating the application. Next it is terminating the application. Observe here, garbage collector is not to destroy useless objects. Okay, garbage collector is not to destroy useless objects. It Garbage collector is to destroy useless objects, but destructor is to perform cleanup activity just before destroying an object. Okay, destructor, make sure difference is there. Okay, destructor is to perform cleanup activity just before destroying an object. Clear? Now second, normally how to find the number of references of an object. Okay, now how to find the number of references of an object. Okay, sysmodule contain getref_count function for this purpose. Okay, normally sysmodule contain getref_count function for this purpose. Okay, so by using getref function count function from sysmodule we can find the number of references of an object. Okay, so for every object Python internally maintains one default reference variable self. Okay, for every object Python internally maintains one default reference variable self. Okay, so this is what we discussed as part of in the last session. Okay, now today we are going to discuss about composition. Okay, today we are going to discuss about composition. Composition. Okay, so observe here by composition. Normally using members of, okay, using members of one class inside another class. Okay, inside another class. And normally using members of one class inside another class. We can, okay, we can use members. Okay, we can use members of one class. Okay, we can use members of one class inside another class. Okay, inside another class by using following ways. Okay, by using following ways. Using members of one class inside another class by using following ways. So what are those means? One is by using by composition. Okay, by composition. Second one is by using inheritance. Okay, by using inheritance. Clear? So composition means has a relationship. Okay, composition means has a relationship. By inheritance means is a relationship. Is a relationship. Okay, is a relationship. By composition and by inheritance has a relationship and is a relationship. Okay. So now observe here first by using composition. Okay, first by using composition. So composition means by using class name. Okay, by using class name, or by creating object. Okay, by creating object we can access. Okay, we can access members. Okay, we can access members of one class inside another class. One class inside another class is nothing. Okay, is nothing but a composition. Is nothing but a composition. Okay, that is nothing but what has a relationship. Okay, this is nothing but what has a relationship. Next, okay, this is point number one. Okay, this is point number one. Point number two. The main advantage of composition is for code reusability. Okay, the main okay the main advantage. Okay, the main advantage of has a relationship. Has a relationship is code reusability. Okay, is code reusability. Code reusability. Okay, code reusability. So observe here. Observe here. I'm let me explain a small example. Then you will get much clarity. Okay, I'm taking one class engine. I'm taking class engine, and I'm taking one variable. So you know what is this variable, right? This is nothing but what is static variable. Def, I'm taking one constructor. Okay, I'm taking one constructor, and inside I'm declaring instance variable. Okay, inside I'm declaring instance variable self b is equal to 20. Next, I'm creating m1 method. Okay, I'm creating one m1 method. I'm creating m1 method. Engine specific functionality. Okay, print engine specific functionality. Engine specific functionality. Okay, engine specific functionality. Class. Next, I'm checking car. Okay, I'm class car, and here so I'm taking one constructor. Okay, def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self. Observe here self dot engine is equal to engine plus object I'm creating at the time of car plus object initialization. Okay, now here I'm taking def m2 method. Okay, instance method. Here I'm printing car engine functionality. Okay, okay, car using engine class functionality. Okay, now observe here print self dot engine dot a print self dot engine dot b. Okay, next self dot engine dot m1. Okay, if you observe here, whenever I'm creating engine class constructor, here engine class object is created. The moment it is created, I'm calling m2 method in the car class, so that it will get the values of self dot engine of a, this value and this value. Okay, and the m1 method of engine class will be executed. So normally composition means in car has a engine. Okay, so in that way I'm creating object of car class. Okay, when I'm creating the car of object class, so that you will feel the difference of executing parent also. Okay, you will see the execution of car is equal to, okay, observe here cr dot m2. Now observe the output carefully. Car object has no attribute m2. Okay, what is the problem? CAR. Where is the problem? Here I'm taking previously I have taken inside constructor. Okay, now observe here car using engine class functionality 1020 and engine specific functionality. Okay, engine specific functionality. Clear? So this is nothing but what a composition. Okay, this is nothing but what a composition. Clear, right? Next. Okay, next will be the main advantage of has a relationship is nothing but what a code reusability. Okay, the main advantage of has a relationship is a code reusability. Okay, this is nothing but what a composition. It is nothing but what composition, and we can say as a relationship. Clear? Thank you, friends. In the next session, I'm going to explain about by inheritance. Okay, by inheritance. Okay, so by using inheritance, how we can do. Okay, thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. But please, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.